My name is Satish Rawal. I am going to teach you simple present tense. Right. First of all, I would like to teach you where we use this tense and what's the use of this tense. Right. This tense is used to express our habits, routine, permanent situation, general truth. Right. These are the four basic things where we use simple present tense. For example, I have mentioned here, I drink coffee. I don't drink tea. When I say I drink coffee, it's a positive sense, it's an affirmative sentence. I don't drink tea. I am here using don't word, that is to be noted here. I am using don't. I don't drink tea. That shows negative sentence. Affirmative sentence is I drink coffee. Similarly, we can say we drink coffee, you drink coffee, they drink coffee, right? Routine, same thing. I go to office. That's your routine, right? Okay, maybe you can mention I go to office at 9. For example, it's at 9 a.m. You can speak that I go to office at 9 a.m. You are talking about your routine, but still you are using simple present tense. Permanent situation. My brother works in a bank. My brother works in a bank. Here, working is a permanent situation. It doesn't work for a day or two. He works lifetime. Maybe before retirement, he'll be in a bank only as a banker. So here I am using my brother works in a bank. General truth, we use general truth is the truth, but it's universal truth. Means all over the world, the same thing is going to happen, right? In that situation also, we always use simple present tense. For example, if you say the sun rises in the east, it's a universal truth, right? Birds fly in the sky, right? Air blows, water flows, right? Such things we always think that it's a general truth, and then we use word yes. Okay. Here it is to be noted when we use s, we use s or es with the words if the subject is third person singular. Here you see, I have written my brother works and put here s here. S, right? I have written here my brother works because my brother is third person singular, and that's why I am using s here, right? Here I am not using any s or anything because it is a first person singular, and this is negative sentence. In negative sentences we are using don't. In case of third person singular, when you want to use that it is a negative sentence, then you have to use doesn't in place of don't, right? Instead of don't, you have to use doesn't, right? Let me make one sentence here, right? My mom doesn't cook, right? Maybe she is old enough and that's why she doesn't cook. Here I am writing doesn't, but I am not using s or yes here. This is to be learned here. My mom doesn't cook. Here my mom is third person singular. Third person singular. So I am using my mom doesn't cook, right? Okay. This is to be noted here. Whenever we make a negative sentence in simple present tense, we always use don't and doesn't. But you have to take care, we are using don't with I, don't, right? We don't, you don't, they don't, right? He doesn't. Here you have to see, I am writing he doesn't, she doesn't, right? Or any one name, then also using doesn't. It doesn't. Here you are using doesn't because this he, she, it, this is third person singular, right? And any one name also you have to use. Okay, suppose for John doesn't like to play cricket. Here I am using doesn't because John is again third person singular, because I am talking about John and John is third person singular, so I am using doesn't here. This is very important to know where to use don't and doesn't. Most of the learners in English language get confused in the uses of don't and doesn't. But I have made it clear that where to use don't, we use don't with I doesn't with he, she, it or any one name. Right? Thanks for watching this video. Hope you like this. Please subscribe and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thank you.